Hi, welcome to Jenny's Crayon Collection, to another edition of Color With Me. Today I'm going to be coloring this frame with the pearlescent paint markers. I'm going to see how good of a job it does on paint. So I've already tested on the back right here, and this is my idea, to do like a rainbow around the frame. So before we begin, make sure you please subscribe to me so you can see more videos. I'll try to be posting at least once a month, maybe twice a month, we'll see, maybe 4 times a month. It just depends how much time I get. And I love to share my ideas with you, everything I love about color. Leave a thumbs up below if you like the video, comment with what you think about what I did. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so first off, I always like to test. If you've watched any of my other Color With Me videos, I always like to test my ideas before I start, just so I have an idea of what I'm doing. So, I'm going to put the yellow one on now. So I think I'm not going to make it, I'm going to have some wood showing in between. Oh, not orange. Green. Okay, green. Uh oh. Sometimes these have a hard time, so I might have to keep a piece of paper by so I can pump them out. Okay. And blue. Uh-oh. Where's my trusty dusty folder I like to color on top of? Just a minute. So it's always important if you're coloring that you have, especially with something permanent, that you have something underneath it that you don't mind getting dirty. And then I will just keep going with this. And then orange. Okay, so other than that, like, do I want to do anything fancy? I don't know. I'm gonna experiment. Should I put like a knob in there somewhere? Little dot. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe put the dots in different places. So that way you kind of get some texture that way. That'd be kind of cool, I think. Okay, so that's my idea. I'm gonna go around. So I also need to get out a scrap piece of paper. Let's see, my folder of goodness. Scrap piece of paper for the green. Okay. This green. I just used it, so maybe it's being silly right now. One can only hope it'll work again. That needs to be, in order for this to work, I don't want it to drag. Okay, this is looking better. So I'm really excited to try this out, see how it works. If this marker will work. Okay, it looks like it's working better. Okay, let's get back to the wood. So this is my idea to take it through like that. So here it is. I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna include pink in here. So I'm gonna start with pink in the corner. Drag it out to the other corner. I'll put the dots on when I'm done. If you hear that little person, it's my little baby. She likes to talk when I talk. Yeah, little girl, how are ya? How you doing? Woo, woo, woo. Let's not eat that. These color really well on here. So it's a paint. So testing time. Hopefully this green will work. Looks great. So I'm leaving a little bit of space. You could do it continuously. I just don't really want to. I could also probably use a ruler for this, but I don't want to do that either. And, ooh, oops. I wish I could, you know, just do one at a time without having to open them all. But unfortunately, I don't know the spacing and I don't want to chance that. I'm loving how it's looking. Green is coming out. I also have a black, but I'm not going to be using the black because... Okay, so now we're almost to the middle. So this next one, and I have it come straight down. Just to kind of symbolize that it's the middle right there. And my pink doesn't want to work, so what I'm going to do, come over here. I feel like I've done this a lot with the markers, shaking them to get them to work. Okay. Go back over it with the pink. So it works really well on the wood. It also says these work on glass, so I'm going to try glass also. I don't know if I'll video that. I might just put a picture of the finished product on my website. This is cool, but I want to create some depth to it. So I'm going to put, I think, some dots around it at different areas. what the dots did to it. It just kind of added this depth to it. This corner still is a little, oh well. But, I mean, I guess I could go in and try to maybe just put another line in. Nobody would notice. There we go. Then it doesn't look so empty in that corner. But just have that be my bottom corner. Those would be my top corners. So there you go. There's my frame. Hope you like it. It was pretty easy to do. And I like the depth. It looks like I painted it, but I used paint markers.